Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock WhatsApp with your Face ID. So again, if you have WhatsApp and you need to lock it for privacy reasons, then follow along and you'll be able to do it. First off, make sure you have the app. Obviously, you have your account all set up, ready to go. And then all you want to do is click the settings tab in the bottom right corner here. And once you click that, all you want to do is go to account with the little privacy key. And now go to privacy, and from here you can turn on use Face ID for your WhatsApp. So all you want to do now is go ahead and choose your preference. If you want it to do it immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, however long you need to, you can do that. Just close the app, go back, open it up, and then you can see it will ask for Face ID. So again, this was a quick yet simple tutorial for how to use Face ID on WhatsApp, and this works for a lot of messaging apps similar to this, whether it's Face ID or Touch ID, depending on the iPhone model that you are using. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the UnlockBoot YouTube channel. Signing off, this is Drake. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.